It's June forecast right now in the state of Maryland. So right here in the state of Maryland right now, it's 92 degrees Fahrenheit, mostly sunny. Air quality index 87 on the yellow stuff. Serenity, which is moderate air. Feels like 96 degrees. Wind 6 miles per hour. Visibility 9.9 mile. Barometer 30.05 inch. And look at here on the top. You'll see it's air quality alert. You can see here on this side, the air quality index, which is on the yellow stuff, and on the air quality alert, it's going to be on the yellow stuff too. It's going to be a very serious air quality alert. So other than that, we're going to go over to the maps, which is the Doppler radar. So we're going to start off with the radar observation. So before we're going to do a temperatures after radar observation. So right now with radar observation, you can see here, there won't be no rain in the state of Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, and so on and so forth. You name it. But on the bottom, you'll see here, which is in Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, South Carolina, North Carolina. You can see here it's going to be on the green stuff, which is that represents rain. Because you know what the green stuff is. The green stuff means it's going to be on the rain. So in Maryland, so other than that, in the state of Maryland, it's very empty and quiet. And so, in the state of Delaware and the state of New Jersey. So there won't be no rain. Kentucky showing rain like I'm telling you about, and just a little bit in Ohio on the bottom stuff. So moving on the radar observation, it's going to be on the northeast side. Alright, so it's approaching towards Indiana. Now to the temperatures, and look you guys, we're going to pause it right here. See, you guys, in the states, right here in the United States, it's going to be the hottest forecast ever in the United States where you live on the North America. So we're going to do that. So the reason I'm pausing this is because I'm showing you this in the state of Maryland. It's going to be very, very hot, which is on the 85 on the orange stuff. 70 degrees on the yellow stuff. So, we're going to keep on going. We're going to push play and we're going to see what happens. See what happens, you guys. It's going to change colors. It's still going to be a very hot day, which is over the 90s, almost getting towards 100 degrees. You can't stand the heat. You can't go outside because you'll be very sweaty to death. So, speaking of which, temperatures are showing on the 80s and almost getting towards 100s. So we're gonna name the temperatures going to be very hot. So as you can see here, right here in the United States, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, West Virginia showing 50s. But it's going to be the higher of these degrees. So the orange side, which is in New York, New Hampshire, Pennsylvania, Delaware, New Jersey, West Virginia, North Carolina, Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, and Tennessee. On that note, you guys, you can't go outside if you are sweaty, because you're going to be sweaty if you go outside. And even though Knoxville, Tennessee, and even Nashville, Tennessee, showing it's going to be very hot on the orange stuff. Yep, it's going to be the hottest day forecast in June and even July, because it's going to be the summertime. It's just how it is. God did that. Yep. Take a moment to look. You can see here on the temperature is going to be on the orange stuff. Now moving on to precipitation. Precipitation is in the yellow stuff, the 0.01 and 0.08 on the green stuff showing and finally in Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Michigan, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, and even just a little bit in Maryland, which is in the Garrett County and Allegheny County. West Virginia showing is going to be yellow stuff, and so on and so forth on the Midwest and on the East Coast. Moving to precipitation is on the northeast side and somewhere in the northeast and the eastbound. Moving on to the satellite. Satellite is moving in Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, West Virginia, and right here at home, you guys, in the state of Maryland, state of Delaware, state of New Jersey, state of New York, state of Pennsylvania, and such and such. The satellite is really moving on the white stuff over the land and on the ocean side. You can see it on the white stuff if you look here. and on the left you'll see it's going to be on the land and the terrain. So northeast side is really moving, and it's pushing through the northeast side, almost getting towards in the state of Maryland. And finally, clouds are moving. So we're gonna name these clouds. Clouds are in Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Ohio, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Delaware, and right here at home, state of Maryland, New Jersey, Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, and even Rhode Island. Yep. Clouds are, so let's talk about it. So clouds are moving on the pushing through, and it's almost towards it's approaching to New York, and such approaching to Massachusetts. So other than that, the different directions are really heading on the clouds. It's on the northbound side, eastbound side, and even the mixed by. So if we combine northbound and eastbound, northeast side. Now we're going to be moving on to the favorite places right here in the state of Maryland. So you can see here, in Maryland, some are going to be on the 90s and some are going to be on the 80s. So we're going to start off with Bel Air showing 91, Belcamp showing 90, 92 degrees in Perryville, Chesapeake City 89, Chestertown 91, and same thing as in Churchville. Columbia showing the high, showing 92, it's not the high, but Elbridge showing 93 is the high. So Darlington 85, Conroe 89, Dundalk 87, Edgewood 89, Elton 89, Elgin City 92, Essex 90, Falston 90, Frederick 92, Glen Burnie 93, Hagerstown 90, Halethorpe 93, Havre de Grace 85, Jarrettville 90, Jessup 93, Joppatown 90, Kingville 90, Laura 92, Middle River 90, Nottingham 92, Ocean City is showing 60s. The only 60s we're gonna get is Ocean City. Moving on to in Owens Mills showing 90, Perry Hall 91, Perryville 70s. So it's gonna be the 70s in Perryville. Pikeville 92, Queenstown 87, Reynoldstown and Reisterstown showing 90 and 89. 89 degrees in Rising Sun, Riverside showing 90, Rosedale showing 91, Savage showing 91, Towson 92, Wrightford 90, White Marsh 90, Joppatown showing 90, same thing in Northeast. Same thing in Aberdeen Proving Ground, but 92 degrees in Baltimore, 86 degrees in Annapolis, and finally, you guys, Abingdon 90s. So some are going to be on the 80s, and some are going to be on the 90s. But the only 70s we're going to get is in Perryville, and the only 60s we're going to get is in Ocean City. Now moving on to historical weather, which is in June. So average high 84 degrees, record high 98 degrees, 1994. Average low 64 degrees, record low 45 degrees, 1993. Average rainfall 4.37 inch. So like I said, today is going to be 92 degrees, mostly sunny, and tomorrow, you guys, it's going to be 90 degrees and partly sunny. So you can see here, precipitation showing 26%, humidity 49%, UV index 9 moderate, max wind 8 miles per hour. And you can see here, record high 90 2005, average high 79 degrees, record low 49 degrees 1997, and average low 60 degrees. Sunrise 5:40 a.m., sunset 8:30 p.m. Now here's the rest of the forecast as always. And look, you guys, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Friday, it's going to be a thunderstorm, which is around Tuesday 86, Wednesday 87, Friday around 80. So the rest of the weather icons. So tomorrow's going to be the 90 degrees, probably sunny. Rain showers 83 on Thursday. Sunday is going to be 80 degrees, partly sunny. Monday and Tuesday showing mostly sunny, as well as the high of 84 degrees on Monday, and then Tuesday is going to be 83 degrees. So that is your the forecast of the June forecast right here in the state of Maryland. Stay safe inside the house and make sure to have your air conditioner.